Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change Honda Jazz car key battery full guide. Press the Release tab and remove the emergency key. Use a small flat tool to pry open the fob seam. Remove the old CR2032 battery. Insert the new CR2032 matching polarity. Snap the case closed. Reinsert the emergency key and test lock, unlock, and panic buttons to confirm full functionality. Start by keeping a calm pace and speaking clearly as you open the fob. This helps when following along slowly. Slide out the emergency key, then use a thin flat tool to pry the seam gently. Avoid forcing the plastic. Once open, observe the battery orientation and any small parts. Remove the old CR2032, replace with the new one matching polarity, then align and snap the case closed securely. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful tips for you. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for workshop tunes and hands-free instructions. I placed one nearby while I work, and it makes steps easier and more fun. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Keep your tone friendly and encouraging as you reassemble the fob so viewers feel confident. After inserting the new CR2032 and checking orientation, press the halves together until they click and reinsert the emergency key. Walk over to the vehicle and test lock, unlock, and panic functions from about 10 feet. If a button fails, reopen and check contact points or battery seating, then retest for confirmed operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.